I'm gonna show you how to deep fry some chitterlings. We call them chitlins. So after New Year's, we had some few chitlins left over that we boiled. So here go how you deep fry them. You can use this fish fry. This is all I had at the time, the seasoned one. But what you really want to use is just regular cornmeal, because these chitlins, I ain't gonna say no chitterlings, I'm gonna say chitlins. They have already been seasoned, and if you put seasoned cornmeal or any of this fish fry, it's gonna be a little salty. But that's all I had, since I'm getting ready to throw these out in a couple of days. So I'm gonna deep fry me a few of them. So only thing you need to do is just sprinkle some cornmeal. Like I said, if you got fish fry, use it, but it's gonna be a little salty. And I'm good with salt, but just use regular cornmeal because it's already seasoned. You just do it like you do fish. Batter it like you do fish, and get your grease hot, about 350 degrees. And you want to drop these in the grease. You don't want to cook them for no more than 2 minutes. 2 minutes is long enough. You see I'm putting them in here in the grease. And like I said, don't use the seasoned fish fry what I just used. You can use fish fry, but make sure it's not seasoned. Or you can just get regular cornmeal, it's cheaper. Just get some cornmeal, season it up, fry it for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, until it's golden brown. It's already done, so the only thing you're doing is just browning it a little bit. And once that's done, you just take them out of the skillet. It's ready to eat. You get you some dipping sauce, get you some ranch, or you can get you some ketchup, whatever sauce, hot sauce, it doesn't matter. Whatever you want to eat, you do it. Do whatever you want, but this is how you deep fry your chitterlings, chitlins. As you can see, I'm gonna give it a taste. Now this is living. So after New Year's, just get you a couple of these chitlins and you deep fry them. You got you a good little snack while you're watching the movie. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Thank you.